Hey everybody, welcome to Artistry in Cards. My name is Jessica Lynn, and today I have got some fun Coffee Lover Blog Hop updates for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to this channel here on YouTube. On this channel, I'm going to show you in a few minutes, my goal for 2025 is going to be write your own story, be brave, and make it happen. So I cannot wait to tell you more about that for 2025. But please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I'd love to have you. And then don't forget to visit my full website, jessicalynoriginal.com, where I draw all the art for all types of different rubber stamps. So let's go ahead and go out to my website because I have to share with you what is going on. So here we go. Let's share my screen so you can see it. There we go. So hopefully it has changed over a little bit for you. I'm just going to put my little picture and stuff down there in the bottom right. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the brand new jessicalynoriginal.com. I have streamlined my full website. Today is Friday, November 1st, 2024. So many amazing updates that I cannot wait to share with you. So first off, new website. Streamlined, cleaned it up, looks great on your phone, works really, really well and efficiently. And my goal was to make it all about my stamps and everything that I have to offer. So with the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop that starts today. This is the 9th year that I have been a part of this. It's from the beginning, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But I wanted to go through and just talk you through a couple of new things. First off, Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. If you have never been a part of it, go and take a look at it. You can see this black link right here. It will go live at 8 a.m. on Central Time on Friday, November 1st. So plan accordingly to that time frame. This is an amazing event. Amy does such a great job with it. And basically what she does is it brings coffee lovers, hot tea, hot chocolate, whatever you drink, drinkers from around to go ahead and craft together. It's a huge blog hop. We're talking over thousands of cards get uploaded into the Linky. And what's fun is that you can win a lot of prizes from super sponsors like myself and from many others. And the other thing that's great about it is that if you are new to card making or you're a seasoned pro, you can go in and share your cards and people will come out to your blog. A lot of times they'll find out, what your design aesthetic is, what you love, what you don't love. They'll get to come and see your cards. And so it's a really wonderful way to get to know more people that have the same interest as you. So, as a super sponsor for the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, and this will only run until the end of the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, we're offering a couple of fun things. First off, every 3 photopolymer or clearance items that you put in your cart, you'll buy 2, get 1 free. So if you have been waiting to purchase out some of our stamps, this is probably the best deal that we offer. I've only offered it one other time. So let me just show you. I'm just going to go in and do it. I am not a fan of coupon codes. They work, they're fine. But I always forget to add them because I start shopping and then I'm like, oh man, I didn't put those in. And again, you can see all of our stamps are photopolymer. They're high quality, all made in the United States. So very proud of that. I draw all of the art that you see. So I drew all of these. It's so much fun to see, the art that I draw turned into stamps. So I went ahead and added 3 stamps from the photopolymer stamp category, or I could have added any 3 things from clearance. There's no limit. So what you can see is I bought the fishing stamps, I bought the Chihuahua stamps, and I'm going to get Brentwood Owl for free. It will always be the lowest one, just so you know, but if they're all $15, then you just get another set for free of $15. There is no limit on this. So just remember that whenever you're shopping in the photopolymer or clearance section, always add things in groups of 3 so that you will get one of them for free. Okay. Now, you might say, oh, this is so cool. What else do you have? And I'm going to tell you, I got digital stamps too. If you've ever used a digital stamp, a couple of things I love about them is you can go and download them immediately. Don't have to wait. During the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, I do have a couple of different sales running. and they can be well, they're not interchangeable, but you can use them both. So let me show you. First off, every Coffee Lovers blog hop, I love to draw something original that I can share that can be used for your cards. So if you're like, I want to be part of the Coffee Lovers blog hop, but I don't have a coffee stamp, I will help you. Go and download this. It is free. Free, $0 during the Coffee Lovers blog hop. I do make you go through my website to check out, and then it gives you the opportunity to sign up for my mailing list. I would love it if you do that. It would be amazing. If you don't want to, totally fine too. But then just be sure anytime you use this digital stamp, please go ahead and give us, the stamp came from Jessica Lynn, and then redirect it back to us. That would be so amazing. Again, it comes as this. You would basically go in into like a Word document, print it off, and then you could start coloring. For those of you who are like, I don't have a good printer, I have had a lot of my customers actually put them onto a Word document, send them off to a Kinko's or a photo printing place near them, and then you can just go pick them up. And then they can use their ink, they can use their cardstock, and you're good to go. This one's free. So definitely add that one to the cart too. Okay. Now I want to show you something fun. The other sale that we have going on is if you buy 2 of our digital stamps, I'll give you 2 more for free. That was funny. That sounded like one of those, like if you go to the state fair, like when you get the sham wow or whatever that is. That's kind of funny. So I'm just showing you so you get an idea. And I'm a visual, so it always helps me. So I'm just picking a couple digital stamps. Oh, I do want to say thank you for those of you that have purchased this. This stamp design was actually done by my daughter. You have made her life. She wanted to try to do what mom does. And so she drew this, and I said, I'll clean it up, turned it into a digital stamp. She gets all the money from that. That is all hers. And so she's made over $100 on her digital stamp. And to a child of 7, that is literally like you all just gave her $1 million. So absolutely wonderful. The entrepreneurial spirit has bitten that girl, and we're working on now teaching her how to make sure she covers any costs she has, make sure that she saves some of it, and then goes ahead and enjoys a little bit of spending as well. So I appreciate each and every one of you for helping her on her little mission. So thank you guys. Other stuff, let's see, we've got a couple in there. So maybe we'll get let's see, we'll go get this bass because that's cute. And then let's see what else. I mean, I think they're all cute. I drew them, but I'm a little biased, right? We'll add a cute little Valentine's Day gnome. What are we up to here? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm just going to remove these because let's say I already purchased them, right? So now we're going to go ahead and say, cool, I have 4 of them in the cart. I've got the Valentine's Day gnome. I've got a bass. I have got the Thanksgiving Day one. I've also got the Labrador Retriever, which is brand new. And then I got the free one because I want to get those all, right? So that means I'm technically getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for $6. So super good deal. So it's buy 2, get 2, and then you can always go and get the free one for the Coffee Lovers blog hop. Check out, download them right away. Now I'm going to clear my cart just because I don't want to hold any inventory that we have available. Last couple things I want to show you on our website. I also do custom stamps in case you didn't know that. During the Coffee Lovers blog hop, as a super sponsor, we're going to be giving away some gift certificates. So you could use it for that. I draw all the art. So if you were like, I really want a custom stamp of my dog, my cat, my fish, my frog, whatever the case may be, toss it to me in an email. There is email communication on the very first page of Jessica Lynn Original. Toss me a message. I'd love to hear from you and we can work together. I make a lot of handmade for you, like the back of back of card stamps. So I can do that for you. I do geocaching stamps. And then we have a lot of swag. Swags are pins, stickers, and more. These are truly limited edition. And once they're gone, they are gone. One thing I want to share, you might see this and say, wow, that doesn't really fit, right? So this is actually my 2025 goal. Dream big and create your own story. So that is my 2025 goal, is to reevaluate kind of where I've been. As you can see up in the new logo, Jessica Lynn Original was established in 2005. I said almost 2025 because I was thinking about next year. 2005. Oh, now I see I messed myself up. See, this is a real person on the other side of this. So that means in 2025, which is where I was going, is that will be our 20th anniversary. Now it's funny because I started the company on April 1st, right? Haha, joke. Of 2005. So on April 1st, so April Fool's joke, but totally truth, will be the 20th anniversary of Jessica Lynn Original, which is crazy. Like I guess do what you love, have fun with it. It has been a blessing. I've gotten to meet some of the most amazing people. I have been so lucky to, have my YouTube channel where I have done interviews with card makers. Behind the Card was so much fun. And coming in 2025, since I'm dreaming big, I'm going to create my own story. I have a brand new thing coming on YouTube on this channel. So please, please subscribe and go and check out the blog post on ArtistryinCards blog post. Now, you might say, how do I get there? Two ways. This link will actually take you there right here. And again, it's live, so you can see it, but it won't be live until November 1st at 8 a.m. Or you can click on this blog right here, and that will also take you out to my blog. Go and take a look. There is a new live show that we're going to be recording here on ArtistryinCards, and I can't wait to share it with you. I'm so excited. ArtistryinCards.com. And it'll obviously be linked on my blog, so you can always catch up and watch older episodes. So that is my big updates for you for the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, for the new website. If you have questions, there's a contact us down at the bottom of the page, or I've also got this really fun little chat. If I'm available to go to live, I will definitely be there for you. If not, go ahead and leave a message and I'll call you right back, right? Just like a cell phone, but it's actually a chat version of that. So if you have any questions or concerns, please, toss me a message. And you can see again, here's that buy two, get two free. Here's that buy two, get one free. No coupons, just add them to the cart. Happy shopping. I hope that you guys have a great day. Enjoy the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. If it's your first time, welcome. If you have been here for years, welcome back. Guys, have a great start to, I suppose, the holiday Christmas season. I cannot believe that November 1st is already upon us and that Halloween is just a flicker of light in the past. I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe.